Okay, so I need to do a cash breakdown. So basically, look how thick this thing is. It's freaking huge. I can barely close it. Like this thing right here, it's like struggling. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and unstuff it so these can be a bit thinner. So right away, debt snowball, investing, those are fine. Car maintenance, let's take out $200. No, there's 100 in here, so I guess I'd take out 100. So 2, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And these are straight tens. 100. 60, 70, 80, 90. Whoa, hold on. Okay, I hope this video doesn't go too long, but anyways. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. And the rest just stays here. That $100 goes there. Okay. Jojo Bear and Kiwi, let's take out $100 as well. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's take 2 10s out of here, like older ones. 2. Okay, that's better. Okay, that's 100. So it should be 95 right now. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Am I missing $5? Kinda. Because I haven't did the stuffing yet, so that's when the next $5 will come in. Vacation. This one isn't big, so let's just take the 20s out of here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah. Christmas, take out 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Cash savings, yeah. Let's take 100 out of here. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. I'll take some of these 5s. It was 80, so 85, 90, 95, 100. So this should be what, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. And again, I haven't added the 5 yet, so there's that. 100. Health and medical, let's take out maybe 200. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's take out 200. Get the sticker back. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. Okay. Good deal. Alright, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's only $700. There's $280 in here. So I can Probably only take 100 out of here. Nope, can't take anything out. And this is an old $100 bill. All good, all good. Okay, so emergency, hopefully. There's 330 in here. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So 2, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That's 200. Am I missing something? Yeah, no, I just took out 200 out of here. Okay, so then this is 300 and then this is 30. Alright. Okay, so that's pretty much all I can take. So let's put this to the side and bring down everything here. All right. And then I did have to take my 1,000 out of the bank. This is what I'm gonna use to do the cash stuffing and then pay some bills and then some savings challenges. So that's for that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so let's replace some of these here. All right, so this is 100. That's 200. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I only have 9. Yeah, that's fine. I only have 9. So this is what I'm going to be taking out, and I'm going to be adding in 9. Alright, so this should be $1,000. Alright, so I'm just going to count this down one more time just to make sure, and then stuff the rest inside of here. I'm going to do it on camera. That's fine. And then go ahead and go to the next video where I do the stuffing and then savings challenges. So yeah, so this is 100. And then I didn't put these in order, which I should. Let me do that actually. Literally, all of this equals to this little bit. All of that equals this. And this is why the binder is so big, but that's okay. Okay. Make sure. Right, so 2, 4, 60, 80, 90, 100, 2, 4, I'll just do 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh. 1, 2, 3. that's 400. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 500. $500. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90. 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95. That's 7, that's 8. This would be 9, and then this right here is 1,000. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Wait a minute, I'm missing something. So those 10s were like really straight. So I hope, let's get this together. Okay, these 10s got me. This is bad. This is really bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha ha ha. 5. It was that 20. Wow. Okay. So anyways, this right here is 5. And there's a 20 here. So this should be right now that I'm counting. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That is 6. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 8. So this should be that remaining that I was missing. Here we go. This better be $100. 10, 20, 30, 40. No, I'm sorry. Look at me. See, I'm messing up already. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That's 9. That's 10. Okay. So this is what's going to be stuffed. We're going to put this away. Well, I'm not going to put it back in here, but I'm just going to put it up so it's out of my way. And I sound weird. That's because I'm like super relaxed. Alright, so that's what's going to get stuffed. Even though I need to trade a lot of this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but yeah. So past that, I took out, there better be 256 in here, so 100. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 45, 46, and then I have to add 10. So we're just gonna put that, so 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46. Okay, that's right. Jojo Berry and Kiwi better have 195, so 100, 20, 30, Well, they better have 190. I'm sorry, because I didn't add in. So 190. So 10. So I mean 100, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. What? Hold the phone. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. So 195. Well, 190. I'm sorry, the 5 isn't in here. Vacation, I have to put how much in here? $200 bills. So 1, 2, 3. Where is it? Sorry, 280 goes in here. So 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. Yeah, okay. 280. I didn't put the 20 in here because, see, that little number there is like throwing me off. I should not have written down what needs to be put in here. So this one's easy. It's 110, so just put the $100 back in here. Okay, savings I took out $100 in here, so it should be 150, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right. As you can see, I'm not the absolute 100% best at counting, so forgive me. So there's a big 258 in here. So 200. So 240, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. 258. Okay. Off-grid living. Let's see. It should have 275. So already has one. Oh wait, I didn't take out of here at all, did I? Nope, I didn't. I did not. Emergency, I took out. How much? Probably 200. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. 1, 2, 3. It should be 30 bucks. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I want this to be condensed, so 10, 15, 20. Let's throw that back and take a 20 from that pile. And then also let's do a 10 out of this pile because it makes it smaller. All right. Now, are there other ways I can make these smaller too? I could do a 20. So okay, and I don't want to do too many because a lot has to go into the bank. So I don't want like a ton of bills. It's unnecessary. But anyways, let's just take a gander at how much look at that. So much better. See, it's not struggling to close. So it looks much thinner. Much thinner. Good. Okay. Better. I can actually squeeze it and it has some room here. Alright, so that's that. I did my countdown. And this is what I have. I'm gonna stuff with this. And I'm gonna get my tray to make sure everything is, you know, as what it needs to be. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.